Greeting future self. I think about you every day. The world is changing. I close my eyes and dream about my future. Our future. The work starts now. Me and you and me. Together we can build our future. I am a creative person. A bit shy but fun. Once you get to know me, I love art. I enjoy painting beautiful pictures of nature, the blue sky, the mountains, the waterfalls. They all make me smile. When I grow up, I want to be an artist. I dream of using my work to make people happy, to share beauty, love, and peace. Colors brighten up the world like the sun and the stars. I want to shine bright. I take my paintbrush and create beautiful pictures. 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 stroke, 4. Journey into nature together with 4. 5 stroke, 6 stroke, 7 stroke, more. The future is calling. Hear me roll. I hope that AI can help me to make beautiful pictures and to share my work with people all over the world. In the future, I will paint green cities, people and nature living side by side, the tall building with trees all around. Less trash, less smoke, more fresh air. So come on, let's take a deep breath. Art and nature, let's work together to keep our earth clean and green. Me and you and me, together we can build our future. Thank you.